Hello, everyone, and welcome to Prophecy's Knowledge Base. Another way to engage your clients is through our mobile app, MyFinancials, which is completely white labeled and is available on the Google Play or Apple App Store. This gives your clients access to their financials every single day from their phone, tablet, or any other device that's connected to the internet. On the dashboard, you can highlight information here that a business owner would like to see. What's my revenue? What's my cash on hand? If I'd like to pay myself a certain amount, how much do we need to make? You're putting their financials in the palm of their hand so they can see how their business is performing every single day. It's a great way to get clients to interact and to see their numbers to understand how their business is performing. You have the ability to toggle between year-to-date and month-to-date view of the account history and see other information like rolling cash flow and their break even. Our built-in messaging capability gives your clients the comfort of knowing you're there for them. You can send and receive these messages by accessing the mobile app tab in Prophecy. Here in the messaging tab, your clients can read any messages you send them and also send you any questions or comments that they may have. In the notifications section, your client will be able to access reports on how they are performing in relation to the goals you've set for the business and also see any messages that you've sent them. In the goals section, you and your clients can set up and view ongoing goals and track performance metrics all in real time, giving business owners the most up-to-date picture of the company. Our partners are using this to keep an eye on things such as cash flow to make sure it doesn't dip below a certain amount and track revenue or expense targets. In the EBITDA section, they can also view this in a nice graph view month to date or in the report option viewing style. In the money overview section, we display a breakdown of how they're tracking to the budget. What's the point of telling your client at the end of the month that they've missed their budget? What impact would it have on your clients if they could know a week into the month they are not performing as well as they should be? Thanks for watching. To find out all of the other ways you can use our mobile app to provide an unmatched level of service to your clients, please contact your account manager or reach out to our support team at support@myprophecy.com.